Hello. This is your girl Anita from Miss Anita TV. Welcome back again to my channel. For my all and new subscribers, thank you also so much. If you're new here, I appreciate you. Please go ahead, hit that red button, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell. In that way, you're gonna be among the first people to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Yes, before I start this video, okay, they say appreciation is motivation. When you appreciate people, you motivate them to do more. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all the people that have subscribed to this channel, all the people that are watching my videos. I mean, you guys, it's not easy. Those in Africa that have to load data, Europe, American, Asia, Dubai. I mean, time is a lot of money. Time costs a lot of money. But you guys still take up your time out of your busy schedule to come watch my videos. Who am I? Oh my God. Sometimes when I see the views that I'm having, I'm like, what do I actually do to deserve all this? You know? So I just want to say a big thank you once more to you all. I appreciate you all. The Almighty God will continue to bless you as you watch this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and join this family. Subscribe and join this family. Here we talk about G's celebrities. Here we talk about all the celebrities G's in the world. If you want to, Nigeria most especially. So if you want to hear about Davido, Burna Boy, name it, Wizkid, Flavor, Timaya, P-Square, anything that you want to hear about celebrity, this is the house of celebrity. So just go ahead and subscribe, and trust me, you will not regret subscribing to this channel. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, yes, today we have just invited the almighty Burna Boy in the house. We have invited Burna Boy. Burna Boy, you are present. Let me adjust my glasses and look at you very well, because today we have invited you in our court, okay? We have invited you here. So, a little background for people that don't know who Burna Boy is. Burna Boy is a Nigerian artist. He's from Nigeria. I mean, he plays a lot of lovely songs. He's amazing, guys. Don't get me wrong. I love Davido. Of course, I'm a great fan to ABO. I'm a big fan to ABO or more. I love Davido. Die. I love this guy so much. But yeah, that does not mean if I see something that is good, I'm not gonna appreciate it. Okay. Burna Boy plays so much. Burna Boy, he's good, like he's really good. When I say good, I mean really good. Okay. And for some people that don't know, Burna Boy won last week the Grammy Award, you know, in America. It's a something like a concert that is being organized once a year, and they will always go for voting, and they are voting. They have the criteria that makes you to qualify as a Grammy Award winner. Okay. And which Burna Boy qualified, had those qualifications. Okay, so he won the Grammy Award last week, and Wizkid also won Grammy Award, which they collaborated with the daughter of our almighty Queen B, Beyonce. I'm gonna put his picture somewhere around the screen. Okay, the Blue Ivy, the black skin girl. Okay, so yes. So, you know, a lot has been going on social media, you know, people batching, even Ghana people have been batching, how do they call this guy, Shatta Wale, that, oh, Shatta Wale don't know how to sing. If Shatta Wale can sing, let Shatta Wale go and bring a Grammy Awards in Ghana. Also in Cameroon, they said two pancha, if two pancha know how to sing, two pancha should go and bring Grammy. This Grammy Award thing has been bringing problem, telling all the superstars to go and bring Grammy Award. I mean, guys, you have to take it easy, okay? You really have to take it easy, because this Grammy Award thing is like, it's obviously bringing problem. It's bringing problem. A lot of things have been happening. I even saw a twist where they said Burna Boy should be rejoicing that he has sold his soul to the devil. That Grammy Award, if you win Grammy Award, it means you have sold your soul to the devil, because Grammy Award is like a sign of 666. I'm like, really? Oh my God. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. So, you know, all those things have been going on. People celebrating, you know, rejoicing for Burna Boy. Wizkid also, you know, rejoice. Everybody was just so happy for all of them. You know, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. You know, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of hard work. You know, but then, you know, your fans, they helped you in acquiring this Grammy award. You know, everybody around you, this is not something, it's not like in Africa where you have to go and bribe for you to take a certain position. You know, in America, it's so I understand that bap is passing everywhere, but in America, it's more of a standard level. Okay, it's a standard level. If you deserve it, they give it to you. If you do not deserve it, they won't give it to you. So for the fact that Burna Boy took the Grammy award, I think he actually deserves this Grammy award. Okay, so a lot of fans, the fans have been making problems, you know, saying, oh, Davido this, Davido that. Davido cannot sing. Davido is a Davido voice is like somebody that drank red oil. This oil from Guinea, from Ghana. That Davido voice is like he drank that red oil, you know. But Davido is having, like me, I'm one of Davido's fan. Okay, I don't care to know what Davido's saying. Sometimes I don't want to listen. I don't want to know the lyrics, but I just love Davido just for who he is. All right, so yesterday, this morning or something, Burna Boy dropped this tweet on IG, on his IG, which he said, my kid, guys, if you cannot read very fast, you can as well just pause it and then read it. Okay, he said, my kids will confidently beat their chest and say, Daddy did it on his own. We can do it on our own. When you know yourself, nobody can tell you about yourself. Know yourself and never go against yourself. God is most definitely not a man. I will never forget how so many of you pray that I don't win. Too dumb to understand that you are too dumb to understand that you also win if I win. No worries. This is just the beginning. God is great. God bless everyone who has stood with me. Let's keep making history. Okay, so at the end of it, he said, God bless everyone who has stood with me. Let's keep making history. Okay, so the thing is, when Burna Boy dropped this particular write-up, a lot of people misunderstood Burna Boy. Okay, they only read the first section of the write-up, and they forgot completely the last sentence where he was like, God should bless all the people that stood by. Come and see comment. Come and see comment. I mean, hey, this one said, Burna Boy, learn to appreciate people and stop taking all the credit. Honestly speaking, this is the major reason most people dislike you. Learn to acknowledge people. You won a Grammy because your fans tiredly streamed your music. Celeb assisted you and the media promoted you. Gratitude upon doors. So this person is trying to say that Burna Boy is not appreciative. You know, people stood there for him. But that is why I say, when they read this, social media is so funny. When they saw the tweet, right, they just read the first section of it and they forgot the last line of it where he was actually appreciating people. Okay, they did not just end there. They went as much as far as saying he said he stood alone. He stood alone, that his kid gonna hit their hands on their chest to say, Daddy did it alone, why can't they do it alone? Which means he's laughing at the Wizkid, because Wizkid did not take Grammy award alone. He took it with the daughter of Beyonce, Blue Ivy. Guys, social media, I swear. Now I know why all these celebrities are always having misunderstanding between each other. Is the typers and typists. Those people on the comment section down below, they are the main problem, the main issue. Now I've seen they are the main problem. So because he said he single-handedly took Grammy award, people are saying that so he's laughing at Wizkid, blah blah blah, that because Wizkid was not alone, Wizkid had to collab with the daughter of Beyonce to win Grammy award. I mean that Davido cannot win Grammy. Guys, just be reading the comment section. Okay, this person say, now God give you talent, my guy, but a lot of people put in work too for this project. Now God give you talent, my guy, but a lot of people put in work too for this project. Learn to appreciate people. You didn't do it on your own. Your mom is a great helper. That Diddy got involved. People stream your song. I will always love your music but hate your character. Just too proud. Oh my God. I mean, guys, we should take it easy. When we see a tweet, you know, we should always learn how to read and understand. And exactly, you know, you have to read and think try to understand what that person just dropped, because to me that is just the way I understand it. So we reason differently. So if you have your thought and opinion, they do matter. So read that tweet from Burna Boy and drop it on the comment section. Let's talk on the comment section down below. Tell me what you feel. Tell me what you feel about the tweet. Tell me what you understand on that tweet. If Burna Boy is taking all the credit to himself, or he obviously thank all those that stood by him, I don't know, but to me that is just what I understood, or that is just what I understand. I understand that he also gave credit to the other people, but from what I'm seeing here, from all the write-up, everybody's saying that, oh, that this person say, I this person say, I please, where can I get a ear plug in Lagos, so we no go hear word again. That Burna Boy will not even allow them to sleep. Burna Boy will not allow them to sleep because of all this Grammy this, Grammy that. They will not drink water because of all this Grammy award. I mean, it has not been easy, oh. It has not been easy. So all the celebrities, they have to go and take this Grammy award. Davido, you have to go and take Grammy award. What is the name again? Shatta Wale, Stone Boy, all those people, Tupancha, Mr. Leo. You guys, you have to bring us Grammy award. Okay, this person said he succeeded in shedding Whiskey and Davido in one single write-up. I did it alone, unlike Whiskey, who had to collaborate with Beyonce. A lot of you prayed I didn't win. So Davido, you understand? So they're saying that Davido was praying that he should not win. Like Davido was like, Burna Boy has no qualification. Like the qualification, he has no, like, he's not up to standard of taking a Grammy award, you know. So this person was like, so only one write-up that Burna Boy gave, he have succeeded in shading Whiskey and Davido, you understand? So because they said Davido was jealous, Davido didn't send any write-up to appreciate Burna Boy, blah blah blah, and Whiskey did not go alone. Whiskey was with somebody else. So this person said, because you are too proud, me personally no like your attitude, and so many others, Wiz and Davido paved the way. So the comment, they were just too much, guys. Like everybody just batch on him, and are like, you are too proud, you are too proud, you are this, you are that, guys. So this is what I obviously want to share with you. I really, like, I was desperately wanted, I desperately wanted to share this caption with you all. So as you all have read, please go back and read on that caption, the write-up of Burna Boy. Tell me what you feel. Okay, tell me what you feel. Let's communicate on the comment section down below, just like I say. Please, if you have watching till now, you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Bye.